FaMe offers a one-stop operation solution for airports. The one-stop solution for all aspects of terminal operations reduce maintenance and operation costs. In our experience, the implementation costs for the comprehensive FaMe system is less than the yearly maintenance costs for all replaced solutions. The comprehensive lifetime airport asset management and the maintenance functions are one of the strongs of the system. Planned maintenance, corrective maintenance, or predictive maintenance available in one system. An IoT interface in combination with the FaMe SCADA dashboard upgrades the solution to a perfect lifecycle management system. Smart airport operation on demand. Smart cleaning management is a mandatory function for smart airports. Cleaning robot management and workforce management with smartphone, available the real-time tracking of the cleaning activities. The supervisor dashboard overviews the ongoing cleaning progress. The integrated warehouse functions reduce the costs for cleaning suppliers, protect the building items, and reduce the environment pollution. The call center and incident management capabilities focus the supervisor immediately on incidents which interrupts the operations. The supervisor can order the best qualified technician to solve the problem. The integrated retail management solution supports the operation of the shops. The system manages the lease contracts and calculates and charges automatically the energy consumption for every particular tenant. The airport vehicle management is part of the FaMe fleet management module. The system manages vehicles from airside and landside. The airport facility team overviews the airport operation with one system in one operation center. All information managed by one comprehensive solution. That reduce the effort and costs and improve the service quality. We explain only 5 modules of the FaMe solution suite, which includes 32 modules. Now we explain the integration with the airport operation database. The FaMe system has an interface to the airport operation database. FaMe integrates the facility operation tasks seamless with the flight operations. For an example, the FaMe system schedules the necessary building maintenance tasks synchronized with the flight operation, not to disturb the boarding or the luggage pickup. Or the system schedules the cleanings of the waiting and arrival areas related to the real departure or arrival times. Or the FaMe SCADA system switch on or off lights and air conditions to the real operation requirements on demand. The proven application with over 32 standard, out-of-the-box modules speed up the implementation time. The IoT interface, the BMS interface, and the mobile applications upgrades your airport management to a smart airport operation. FaMe offers more than 50 special surfaces, from dashboard, administration application, wizards, mobile phone or tablet. The different surfaces match exactly the requirements of the particular user. The FaMe system makes the airport operation smart. Save your time with the FaMe Smart Airport solution and use the earned time for more important activities. Don't hesitate to contact us for further information. Thank you for your attention.